Fasana is a small, charming town situated on the western coast of the Istrian Peninsula in Croatia, overlooking the beautiful Adriatic Sea. It is a perfect destination for a relaxing holiday, combining natural beauty, cultural heritage, and culinary delights. The town's name originates from the manufacture of amphorae, which were used to store and transport olive oil and wine during Roman times. Fasana was once a significant Roman harbour, and later thrived under Venetian rule, which left a lasting influence on its architecture and culture. The town's narrow streets are lined with traditional stone houses and excellent restaurants, and the lively seaside promenade leads to scenic beaches with crystal-clear waters. One of Fasana's most significant attractions is its beautiful and charming old town centre, which serves as the focal central meeting point for tourists and residents. Its colourful houses, alleys, squares, lovely bars, and restaurants make it a perfect place for walking, exploring, and enjoying. In the centre of the old town, on a square by the shore, stands the 16th-century parish church of St. Cosma and Damian. It is a Gothic structure with Baroque elements, built with a rectangular apse and a sacristy. Interestingly, the church is located only 1 metre above sea level, at the lowest point in Istria. Another attraction is the charming port, which due to its beauty, is featured on almost every postcard. This port boasts a rich history dating back to Roman times, when it was a hub for fishing and trading. Even today, fishermen still moor their boats there, and you can watch them at work as you walk along the pier. Restaurants are just a few steps from the port, making it a perfect place for lunch or a refreshing drink. One of the best things you can do in Fasana is a leisurely walk along the seaside promenade. It is an ideal place to watch the sunset, breathe in the sea air, listen to the chatter of seagulls, and enjoy the views of the crystal-clear Adriatic Sea. Along with the promenade is one of the most beautiful cycling paths that will give you a new view of Fasana and its surroundings. The promenade is full of cafes and restaurants, offering delicious local cuisine and fresh seafood, making it the perfect place for a romantic dinner. The beautiful beaches of Fasana make it a popular holiday destination. Most beaches are covered in pebbles, and some have received the Blue Flag Award. Visitors can enjoy various activities such as swimming, sunbathing, snorkeling, windsurfing, and kayaking. Numerous cafes and beach bars are nearby, making it the perfect place to relax and enjoy the day. The North Beach of Fasana, also known as Stara Fasana Beach, is just a few steps away from the old town, and its turquoise blue sea colors invite you to swim. Visitors can find a variety of amenities, from sun lounges and parasols to fantastic beach bars. Its proximity to the town centre makes it ideal for families and individuals seeking a blend of relaxation and entertainment by the sea. Another famous beach is the South Beach of Fasana, better known as Fasana Beach. This lovely beach is situated south of the port and accessible from the town centre via a charming promenade lined with olive trees. Along the beach, there are bars where you can get a coffee, beer, etc. In Fasana's local markets, you can find a selection of fresh produce, such as pastries, fruits, vegetables, meat, and seafood. Other shops and boutiques offer unique souvenirs, crafts, and jewelry. Around the marketplace, you can enjoy street food or try Fasana's famous sardines. There are also several gelaterias, each offering a unique variety of flavors made from fresh ingredients. A few kilometers from Fasana lies the Briuni National Park, which comprises several islands. Excursion boats leave Fasana daily, and a ferry also takes visitors to the most significant island. The island has a safari park, a bird sanctuary, archaeological sites, and cycle paths. Fasana is also known for its numerous excellent restaurants, which offer a variety of seafood dishes and meats, along with famous local wines. Pilchards, prepared in numerous ways, are the most popular local dish in Fasana. Each restaurant has its unique preparation method, including salting, marinating, breading, frying, and grilling. Fasana is the perfect starting point for numerous excursions due to its ideal location. The best excursion destination from Fasana is Pula, which is impressive because of its picturesque old town and Roman amphitheatre. Other great options are the port towns of Rovin and Porec, some of Istria's most beautiful coastal towns. Lastly, visit the medieval towns of Hum and Motovun, which are real hidden gems of the Istrian peninsula. Ultimately, one of the main reasons to choose Fasana is its relaxing atmosphere, which offers peace and tranquility. Its narrow streets, beautiful beaches, and tasty cuisine allow you to escape everyday stress and enjoy the simplicity of life. Thank you very much for watching, and see you again soon.